rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico. Ay, señorita, diga bonita que necesita amor. Su sonrisita tan exquisita solo me invita y voy, voy, voy. Diga cosita porque me agita.
Hi, you all. How are you? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far.
So, this week it was the Leander Old Town Festival, and of course, knowing us, we had to check it out. And we ended up finding a lot of cute pieces of jewelry from a lot of small vendors in our area.
So they were very unique pieces, something that we had not seen before. So we thought we would love to share with you because you can order them online and they will be delivered to you. And what we liked about the whole thing was that all of these were handmade. And I would encourage you to shop local and buy local because it helps the economy. It helps the smaller business people to survive after such a huge pandemic where they've struggled with business, where they've struggled with putting food on their table. So I would recommend do buy local and shop local and
Support your local businesses.
yeah, support your local businesses. So we have 3 companies that we're going to showcase today and hope you enjoy that.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that follow button, and let us know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see. And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
So the first company we're going to talk about is essentialjewelry.com, and that's ESSCENTIAL jewelry.com, and this is owned by Francine Tucker and Trisha Kernan.
Yeah.
Francine Tucker and Trisha Kernan, and they have a small business making jewelry, which I was very impressed with. Their whole style of jewelry is very different. They have these beads which you can use as diffuser beads, and they give you the scent, and you add the scents to the beads, and you can smell good all the time, or you can smell the beads all the time, and it makes you feel nice. And they have many styles. We ended up getting a few. The first one, of course, is this necklace, which completely caught my eye. So this was a beautiful necklace. I thought it was a very unique piece, and these beads can be infused with oil, which they also provide, and you can choose the scents you want, and you can wear these. Let me show you how it looks like. These are the scents that my daughter is showing you, and this is how this piece looks like. So it's a very beautiful and unique piece, and you can, dress it up. You can wear it with jeans and a shirt or a dress like I'm wearing, and it looks really nice.
So the next thing we got from here is this bracelet. You've seen me wearing it just like a minute ago. It is super gorgeous. It has green stones as a little accent to go on top maybe. And then they, of course, have the diffusing beads all around.
We did buy 3 of these, and this is the 4th one that we are showing you. And this, they gave it to us as a gift for buying so many pieces. But we were in love with it and we would have bought it. But it's a sweet gesture from their side to give us a gift of this bracelet.
And the last thing we got was this necklace.
I think it's really beautiful how the necklace is made. It is very, again, a unique piece, and you can add scent to the pieces, and it is a very light piece, and it's something that you can wear probably every day. There is hand knotting, and at the end they have the what do you call that, a lobster claw to open or close these necklaces. Like I'm wearing, this is again, this particular piece they bought from antique necklace, and they added it to this to give it that look. So yeah, I think these are beautiful pieces, and I would recommend that you check them out. We will leave their Instagram, their website, all the details here so that you can order from them.
And their scents are very nice. Like this one's named Grace, this one's named Present, this one's named Bold, this one's named Grounded.
Yeah.
And they're all super nice.
This is how the company's what do you call it,
Logo
is, and I think it's really creative. and then they talk about what is there in the jewelry, what is the purpose, and how do you do it. And also what they provide you is this barcode, or what, scan code, QR code, and this tells you how to use the essential oils and how to use that. So I think that's a very neat thing to do. I was pretty impressed with this, and they also tell the story of the jewelry and so on and so forth. And I think it's a very interesting idea. And not only that, I think as business people, Francine and Trisha were very amazing. They were like really amazing ladies who were very polite, very knowledgeable, very sweet to us. And we loved just interacting with them. We were there for quite some time, and it was a real pleasure interacting with them and getting some really unique pieces from them. So on to the next one. The next jewelry store that we visited was called Sandals. They do have a Etsy presence. So the Etsy store is called SANDDOLLS. It's on Etsy, and it's like etsy.com//shop/sandals, and they have coasters, and they had jewelry. I fell in love with the jewelry completely. And the piece that I bought was this one. Ria, can you show this one first? The piece that I bought was this one. Now, this is pieces of a vintage clock that they have encased in resin, and then they have made a necklace or pendant out of it with a chain. And the chain is also quite substantial. I think it's a beautiful necklace, and I really love the whole concept of having vintage clock pieces in a pendant. And they do have things like coasters and things like that, but we just fell in love with the necklace. The other necklace that we bought was this one, which was a teddy bear encased in resin. And again, this one is so pretty, and I bought this for my daughter, and she really loves it. And it of course has a very nice vintage feel. As you all know, we love vintage pieces, and this was another one that we really loved. So they have an Etsy presence. So if you wanted to purchase from them, you can go on to Etsy and visit their store, and I'm sure they will appreciate you ordering this. Now, if you see this piece, you can see how this piece looks. I'm going to come closer to the camera, and you can see how this piece looks. It's a beautiful, gorgeous piece, and we can show you the other piece, the one with the teddy bear, how it looks. I think it's a gorgeous piece, and I really love the whole concept of having this kind of a pendant. I think it looked amazing and so unique. So I would say go try this out. I really loved it, and I'm sure you will too.
Yeah, and the thing about these is that the clamp is actually pretty easy to remove.
Yeah.
Because, usually the clamps end up being too small.
Yeah.
Impossible to remove. And because of the style that the chain is, you can pretty much hook it wherever you want to.
Yeah.
If you would like a tighter necklace, looser necklace. So I definitely recommend these.
Yeah. And I think the lobster claw is a good idea, because you can basically do it anywhere.
And with the attaching, it's super sturdy. You can already tell.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
And honestly, these pieces were like, I think they had really underpriced it. They were just $20 each. I would have paid twice that. Like, they were the piece is so substantial that I would have paid twice that. But I mean, that's the pricing that they want to give it to you at. So that is what it is. It takes a lot of effort to make a piece like this, and it's completely handmade. So yes, I think it's a lovely piece. And I would urge you to go and check out the Etsy shop if you're looking for some unique pieces.
And make sure to support your small businesses like these.
Yeah.
Okay, on to the next one.
The next store we visited was called Jules and Coco, and Jules Montaya is the owner. I think Coco is a dog, and they have a page on Facebook called Jules and Coco. And this is their card. I wanted to show it up close to you. The dog was right there. It was a very nice dog. And they had a lot of pieces there, a lot of jewelry. But the ones that caught our eye was the Texas style jewelry, or the shape of Texas, a map jewelry, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. They used some stones on every piece with the backing of metal. And I loved how they've made it into different colors and used different stones, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. I mean, we just bought the Texas style jewelry, but or Texas shaped jewelry, but there were many other pieces that you could look at, and you can check out their Facebook page, Jules and Coco, on Facebook. And what was unique was how the pieces shine, how they were shining, and the chains that were attached to were also quite pretty. They were quite substantial. It wasn't like they were going to snap at 1 second or something like that.
So we got a plethora of colors in. So I just showed you guys this one, which is just a simple, grayish one. And then this one is for all the A&M fans out there. It's this burgundy-ish. It's one of the A&M colors, of course. And then for all the UT fans out there, we had to get a burnt orange one, for UT Austin.
Yeah. And when we spoke to this lady, Jules Montoya, she was a very sweet old lady. She really conducted herself well. She's very polite. And it was a joy buying stuff from her. And I would say just support local because, it's sometimes such an amazing thing that you find this priceless gem of a piece and you feel so happy about it. And I'm sure something like this we're going to keep in our family for years and years and years to come. I mean, I can't wait to wear this. I would love to wear something like this, and represent my state. I'm very proud of my state, and I can't wait to represent it by showing how proud I am by wearing the map on my wearing the map, and I loved everything about it.
So let us know down below if you would wear a necklace with your state on it. I'm talking to some of you guys that your state's a square. So on to the next piece of jewelry.
Yeah. So the final stall that we visited at the festival was called the Women of Panda, Uganda, and we found these very unique necklaces there. Now these necklaces are made of paper. If you looked at them, you would not be able to believe that they're made of paper, but they are. And they look absolutely beautiful. They're very lightweight, so you don't feel the weight on your neck. But at the same time, they look quite substantial. They don't feel like paper, but they are. And this is a charitable organization, so it is a 501c3 organization. So which means that your contributions are tax deductible. And they have a presence on Crystal Creek Drive in Austin. And when we went there, they did give us this paper which talked about their organization, and it told their story. And they basically make a lot of paper products. And it was lovely talking to that lady there. She was amazing to talk to. And one way of contributing is to buy products from there. They were not very expensive, I have to tell you, but at the same time, you do make a contribution to society when you make them. Now, if you see the necklace, it looks absolutely, it has again the lobster claw, so easy to get into.
And because all the paper is recycled, you don't feel you don't feel bad wearing it.
Yeah. So it's recycled paper, and it looks absolutely pretty. So if you see this, I was doing it with all my hair over there, but I love myself a little necklace which just clings to your throat, and you can layer other pieces with it. And I thought it was really, really, really pretty. So let me show you up close how this looks. So I think it's a very pretty necklace. It looks, it's close to your neck, so you can layer another piece here, another piece here. So it would look really, really nice. And since it's made of paper, it has such a light feel to it. So it doesn't feel like your neck is like feeling heavy with all the jewelry that you're wearing. But it still looks really beautiful.
It's super comfortable as well. The metal is not itchy in any way.
No, it isn't. So we loved being at the festival. And we enjoyed meeting these new people. It was a new experience because we had not gone out anywhere for a very long time. So it was a new experience, and we loved every bit of it. We went out, and of course we did wear masks, and there was social distancing, but at the same time there were people there. and it was a safe environment for people and for children. It was nice to get out. I mean, honestly, it was just really nice to get out.
It really was. And
Yeah.
I encourage you guys to go out if, of course, if you guys are staying safe.
And if you're vaccinated,
Yeah, go out, support your local businesses.
yeah.
Buy.
And you can
things.
always order online. If you're not comfortable going out, feel
Yeah.
free to order online. All of these companies we talked about had an online presence, and I will put all their handles and websites down below, and you'll be able to see them. So our final thoughts is enjoy, have fun. You know, it's the summer. You can wear low necks and you can show off your jewelry finally. But anyway, we loved having you here. Hope you enjoyed your time watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Let us know down below what other kind of jewelry videos you would like to see. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that follow button.
And do subscribe to us because it does help us a lot so that it comes into the algorithm where Facebook or Instagram or YouTube knows that you people are watching our videos and they love to see our videos. So please help us by subscribing. We appreciate your support.
And we love you guys.
We love you. We'll
Bye.
see you in the next video very soon. So let's talk about this huge giveaway. July 5th is the day that we started on our journey on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Yes, we were pretty late in the game, but anyway, we are completing 1 year. And we wanted to show our appreciation of all your support and encouragement and all these amazing DMs and comments and the love that you've shown to us. And we thought we'll do a small giveaway, right?
Yes.
So what we have as a giveaway, we ordered a bunch of stuff from Tarte, and to 5 lucky winners we'll be giving some Tarte palettes. We have this palette which is called Toasted. I was trying to see what is in this. There is High Performance Naturals. Then we have the Pro Remix, and then it has the Fall Fields, and of course Tartlet in Bloom, which is my favorite. And the last one is Not Your Average News. So these are the 5 gifts that we have. Oh, this is 6. So anyway, there was supposed to be 5. I don't know how we ordered extra anyway. So 5 lucky people will get this, and all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our Instagram and Facebook page. Comment down below, and we will send this out to you. We'll select 5 people. This giveaway is open only to people in United States for now. Sorry about that. I know there are people all over the world who follow us, but this giveaway, the first giveaway, is open for only people in the United States. And so all you have to do is subscribe to our Facebook, subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube, and comment down below so that we can DM you. If you don't comment, we won't be able to DM you. We won't know who's interested in this, and you can let us know which palette you're interested in. So again, the palette is Tartlet in Bloom,
Fall Feels,
Tartlet Pro Mix,
Tarte High Performance Naturals, which this is a palette and mascara,
and the Toasted palette. So we would love for you to have a little appreciation from our side,
and if you can, comment on one of our Insta posts as well, so we can get in contact with you easier through there.
yeah. So I again want to thank you for all the support and encouragement. We would not have been able to complete even a year without you all. You know that. You're very important to us, and we really, really, really appreciate you. Thank you once again.
Bye.
Rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico, baby, dame más rico, rico. Ay, señorita, diga bonito.